Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these 5-gallon storage bags. These things are huge, and you can use them for anything you want to use them in because, it's nice and see-through, so you can put clothes or books, any sort of office supplies. It is kind of, like a massive Ziploc bag. It just opens up really nicely right through here. It has a nice handle right here. And then you can easily store your items in, whether you're traveling or just wanting to put them up. You can put them all really nicely in here. Then you just zip it back closed and it will all stay in there. Really nice. That holds really well. I'll bring you in here close so you can take a look at these cool bags. So here is the bag up close. It is an 18 by 20.5 by 7 inches wide. So this will actually get quite a lot of extra room for all sorts of things in here. You do have all of the inches in here, so you know just how full it is, which is really nice. And if you wanted to write what it was in there, you can actually just write right here, which is nice as well. You got your handles and then your double zippers at the top. So not just one, but you do have 2 separate little zippers at the top that easily just seal together. These are nice bags that you can use for a variety of different purposes.